Hi, I am Seek. Let us look at some exciting stuff. Imagine a situation of a city wherein the locals residing near the coastal areas are told to vacate their place due to high tides. Tides are very strong. They tend to grow stronger, and it seems as if something is pulling it. It is well understood that tides are caused due to a force which acts on the ocean. But what is that force? Gravity is the major force that creates tides. Ocean tides result from the gravitational pull of the sun and moon on the oceans of the earth. Let us understand more concepts related to gravity. A gravity is a force that attracts a body towards the center of any physical body having mass. We know that the planets in our solar system move in an orbit around the sun and the satellites in an orbit around the planets. What causes them to stick to their position? What binds them in such a system? Why don't they fall off? Of course, force. Every object that has mass attracts every other object having mass. But does it apply to every object in the universe? Yes. According to the universal law of gravitation, a particle attracts every other particle in the universe using a force that is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers, which is why our planets move in a fixed orbit. This force of attraction is gravitational force. Expanding the explanation on tides further, the gravitational attraction between the Earth and the Moon is strongest on the side of the Earth that faces the Moon. The gravitational pull increases and pulls the water towards the Moon, causing a bulge, which is the high tide. The Sun affects the size and position of the tides. The Earth's gravitational force attracts every object. But what if we increase the distance between the object and the Earth? Will the gravity increase or decrease? It decreases. Just like in space, the gravity in space is minimal due to the increase in altitude or distance from Earth. Microgravity is the condition where people or objects appear to be weightless. That is why objects and astronauts float in space due to very less gravity. Now, let us catch a glimpse of what we are going to create. After this activity, you will be able to understand gravity, analyze the relationship between gravity and altitude, and create a gravity-powered car.